Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Product Reviews. I'm back with another Arteza or Arteza review unboxing. This is going to concentrate on their tools, and don't forget, we do have an exclusive coupon code. You can find that 10% off coupon code down below in the description. Make sure to use that to get 10% off your entire order. Now, first up are these miniature brushes. I tried to get these on camera, but it was really hard. So these are ideal for painting miniatures, architectural scale models, very detailed. I actually use these all the time in Chalk Couture to fix mistakes. I love these miniature brushes. You get 15 of them for $13.99, which is an outstanding deal. The next thing we're going to take a look at, and yes, actually unbox, is the Acrylic Quilters Ruler Kit. This kit comes with a variety of sizes, including 4.5 by 4.5, 6 by 6, 9.5 by 9.5, and 12.5 by 12.5. It features a patchwork acrylic rulers plus a pack of 48 non-slip adhesive rings, which is really nice so it doesn't slide all over your desk. It also offers clear design, double colored grid lines, durable acrylic, and ambidextrous angle system. So it doesn't matter if you are left or right-handed, it's mirrored to make it easy for anyone to use. Of course, any quilter will tell you no set is complete without a rotary blade to do some nice clean cuts and some sort of ruler. In this case, we're looking specifically at the 60mm rotary blade and the 12-inch triangular architect scale ruler. This rotary tool is durable. It's made from tungsten Japanese steel. It is comfortable and safe and can be used by both left and right-handers. It's versatile. It cuts through paper, fabric, vinyl, felt, tough materials like carpet, foam, batting, leather, nylon, and it's compatible with other brands like Fiskars. This ruler gives you variety and precision. It's 12 inches and offers 3 different sides with 6 different scales. The ruler is lightweight and durable. It's color-coded grooves. The etched grooves are colored green, red, and silver for quick and precise visual reference. Ideal for scale drawings and models. All measurements are imperial and include scale guides, which is great. However, one of my favorite things in this set was the 42 set sculpting tool for pottery and clay. Now, I know it doesn't look like a lot, but these tools can be used for everything. Wide variety, every tool for finishing detail work or handmade pieces. It's durable stainless steel, which is maximum precision with steel that doesn't rust or bend. It is professional quality with high-grade materials that work well for both beginners and pros, and they are easy to grip. Very smooth wooden handles for extreme comfort. Now, even though these tools are made for pottery, I use them every day in my crafting world and my Chalk Couture world. You would not believe the amount of tools in this set and what you will easily find it to be used for. Well, I know this was a quick overlook over all of this amazing tools that Arteza offers. Make sure to use the links down below and our exclusive 10% off coupon code and get shopping. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.